Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Yeah, we wouldn't have to wait so long.
And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong?
You know it's gonna make it that much better if we can say goodnight and stay together.
And wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up in the morning when the day is new?
And after having spent the night together, hold each other close the whole night through. What happy times together we'll be spending. I wish that every kiss was never ending.